most important thing that I see on Zoom is lighting. It's the first thing everybody notices. You notice when people are in the light. You notice when people are in the dark. You notice when people have light on only half their face and the other side is dark. We want to make it feel like we're just sitting in the same room, open up the rapport, have better engagement. So ideally, depending upon your room, how much lighting you have coming in your room, you want to have the lighting even on your face, left and right. Like I have 2 lights on this side and 2 lights on this side, but that's kind of the way I do it. You could have 1 on 1. You also want to have the lights at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, especially if you wear glasses. By having them at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, you're avoiding all the glare on your glasses. And if you have a light that's straight in front of you, you don't have the glare in your eyes. Or if you have a ring light, you don't have the ring around your eyes. But you also want to have them a little bit above your eyes, angling down to your face. It softens the light on your face. So again, it doesn't feel like you have a spotlight on your face. So 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, angled down, it really creates a much softer look. One of the cheapest, easiest hacks I have is to take fuchsia Post-its and bright yellow Post-its and put them over your lights. If you mix this fuchsia and this yellow, you get kind of a peachy color. And that counterbalances the blue light coming off your monitor, off your screen, off your laptop, and it gives you a more natural look.